to 5. Okay. So str of 0. If I print, what will I get? K. Okay. So S1. S1. Okay. So S2 is equal to str of 1. Okay. Great. This one. Okay, cool. And 0, 1, 2, 3. If I give you same thing, that's 3. I want to give 3 this time. Okay. Now if I give 4, what happens? If I give 4, what happens? Index out of range. Example. The reason is when I have KOFI 0, 1, 2, 3, I cannot exceed the index, the maximum index that we have for characters here. So the maximum index that we have here is 0 to 0, 1, 2, 3. So 3. 3 ke baad, if I give 4, it will give me index out of range. So this should not be given. Okay. This is index out of range. Slicing. Indexing is done, but slicing. Positive. So I will give you slicing means it's like this one, column. So here where only I have coffee. So coffee may str half 0 column 1, 2, 3. What will I get? 0 comma. So I want to print. Okay, str equal to str. Okay. Print. Yeah. Coffee. Total. If I get you 2, what happens? 0, 1, 2. I'll get print str from 1 equal to what I would say. Str. I'll save it in a variable. Okay. I'll say it was T1. I'll say T1. Simple. T1 is equal to T1. What I will get here? 0, 1, 2. I'm saying 0, 1, 2. But why only KO? Why not F? Because it will print. This is called slicing. This is called source. This is called slicing symbol, column. And this is the target. So source index, column, target index. So from source, I want to print till target, excluding target index. So 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so 0, 0 and 1 are printed. If I say 0, 1, 2, 3, 0 to 3 means 0, 1, 2 will be printed. So KOF will be printed. Now, if I give 4, which is not there, it will give again index out of. Wait. 0, 2, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Here. See, in slicing, remember, that's not, I'm not discussing indexing. Indexing may you can't access. See, I cannot give an index which is more than what we have. But in slicing, okay, it will give, like even if you do 4 or 40, it will give up to KOFI only. So that is one advantage with slicing, source and target. Now I'll take a bigger string, a string which is larger. So copy, yeah, copy, Satish 3, copy was set here, maybe, order to slicing. Okay, that below. So now I'll take a different name. Take CATEESS. E should not be there. I mean, 2 times it's there. No? Archana. CHA. Nothing is repeated. Oh, A is there. Huh? Okay, we'll take what is there. Let's take and see. Wait, I'll take a name which has nothing. Something like this. Example. Just okay. Equal to. Okay, now what I will do, str of 0, 0, 1, 2, 3. Now can you guess what would be the output? S1. Print S1. Coffee, can you guess what would be the output? I got one answer, correct. 0, 1, 2, 3, correct. And it will be like source, from source to target minus 1. So 0, 1, 2, 3. Now 3 won't count it. So arc, correct. S2 is equal to str of, now I won't specify 0. Okay. Now I want the output. So here, no source. Here, perfect. Right, Satish. I'm coming. So source exists, target exists. See, I don't specify the source, but still, you see, let's do same output. Means even though I don't specify source, that is source means source index. Okay, so it will give me from 0. But what if I want to take a big name? J N A O O S H J N A. Some Archana. Archana something. Archana. Archana. Something like REDD5, for example. Now I don't specify the source now. Now I will copy this, paste. Oh, sorry, wait, paste here. No, here S3 equal to STR of colon 6. I will say S3 directly. No, colon 6 means what? No, I want colon 7. Now Now I will get what? Archana. Correct, 6 index. Now I don't want the first two characters. I want it to print from C, only this part. So I don't want to see AR. So how I should, what index should I print? That's the question.